Hey guys, welcome. Today I have a really quick and easy one for you. We're going to make some fake whole lemons. So I'm going to use my foam clay, and you can make this these lemons whatever size that you want. So just condition your clay. Now if you want to use less clay, like if you wanted to make a bigger lemon, or even for the size that I'm going to make, if you want to use less clay, you could put a styrofoam ball and then just wrap your clay around it. But I'm just going to use my clay. I'm not making a super big one here, so it should be just fine. So just roll it into a ball. And then we want it not a perfect circle, kind of more elongated. And then we're just going to pull one end out to a point. A rounded point, I should say. And then just kind of blend all of this in. You don't want it to seem like it's completely separate from the lemon part. And try to smooth out any of those lines that you can. Get it as smooth as you possibly can. And of course, it doesn't have to be perfect. Lemons are absolutely not perfect in shape. And then for the end where the stem would come off from, where it comes off of the tree, just kind of, you can use your finger, or if you have like a skewer or something, you can kind of press in there and make like a little indentation. And then just kind of make it all blend together. Okay, so to get our texture, I'm going to use an old hairbrush, and I don't want to really press this in. I just want to kind of tap it on the top. And as you go along, some of that will go away. Like, that's just the nature of the foam clay. It loses some of the texture. So I'm just going all over, just tapping, tapping, tapping. Okay, so now I need to mix up my color for my lemon. So I'm going to use apple barrel yellow. And then I'm also going to add some pale daffodil, because I feel like the yellow is a little not the right color. You might have a better color. These are just what I had on hand that I'm going to use to achieve the right color, hopefully. So here's a real lemon, and that's the color. So I think that's pretty close. So now I want it to have a little bit of a glossy look, because, you know, the lemon, as you can see here, it's not fully matte. So I'm going to actually add a little bit of gloss Mod Podge to this. And then I'll just paint the whole thing. Before I paint it with the yellow, though, what I'm going to do is go in with some classic caramel and just get that little part where the stem would come off from. So I'm just going to hit that right there. If you wanted to do this kind of a greenish brown color, you could do that as well. So I have this just standing on the end where the stem would be to dry. And then once it's dry, I'll just flip it over and see if I need to touch up the paint or anything like that on that side. And that's all there is to it. Then you have some lemons for your lemon theme tiered tray, or whatever other lemon theme you have going on. It's great for summer and spring. I also have a fake lemonade and a fake lemon meringue pie if you want to check those out. I'll have the link to those in the description, and I'll have those on the end screen here as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.